How to cancel order on KFC app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your KFC application, and then over here you will also find your orders if you have made any. Right below your order, there will be an option of cancel order option. So if it does not appear, in your case, what you have to do is simply find the location of your KFC from where you ordered, and then go to Google, search for KFC contact number of that location, and just give them a call and ask them to cancel your order, and that will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.